Staying motivated and getting motivated, two different things, both very important. And I think that something that has helped me become more motivated, to get motivated in the first place and then stay motivated, has everything to do with setting goals. And it blows my mind that this isn't something that we're taught when we're kids. You know, we're taught a million things. We go to school until we're in our 20s. And then you graduate and everyone's confused. I don't know what I want to do with my life because we haven't been taught how to set proper goals. And I recently did something with one of my daughters, and I said, you know what? I am doing a disservice here. Just basically every time she changes her mind about what she wants to be, I'm just like, good for you, good for you. And so she said to me, I want to be a teacher when I grow up. And I said, really? You want to be a teacher? Now, my daughter's 6 years old, so this was hard to do, but I was like, you got to do it. I said, you want to be a teacher? I said, what are you doing to become a teacher? I don't see you practicing your ABCs. I said, you have a younger sister. I haven't seen you teach her anything recently. And she just looked at me in shock. And she kind of walked away quietly. And I thought, I don't know if I just ruined her dream of being a teacher or not, but I'll tell you something. 15 minutes later, I came back. She was in the playroom with her younger sister, who's 4, and she was sitting with her sister, teaching her how to read a book, which I had never seen her do before in my life. And I kind of looked at her, and she looked at me, and she was giving me the whole, look at me being a teacher. And I thought, this is actually a good thing. It's actually a good thing to challenge ideas so that people can be motivated. To get motivated, you need to set proper goals that are aligned with what you want to achieve.